Today for lunch there's the jacked up fry bar, crispy popcorn chicken with a dinner roll, or Italian dunkers with marinara dipping sauce. Some Hobbit words for this Thursday. Matham, an old thing which you no longer have any use for but don't want to throw away. Second breakfast, a lighter meal eaten after breakfast but before lunch. People that do this often eat 4 or 5 meals a day, like a hobbit. This morning we will walk up to the Juniata High School auditorium to learn about Rachel's Challenge. Students will report to first period as normal. After attendance is taken, grades will be called to leave for the high school. We will all be leaving out the 6th grade wing exit. Bring a coat because rain or shine we are going. Stay off the road and on the sidewalk as we walk and not run up the hill. If it's wet and rainy, the grass will be soaked, so stay on the sidewalk to keep your shoes dry even if it gets slow. Don't run ahead or stop for a chat and hold up everyone behind you. At the top of the hill, be careful crossing the road, and if the line backs up, be patient. As you enter the high school, please be respectful. High school students are in class while we are walking by. There is almost always a line backed up in this hallway, so be patient. When we get near the art room, different grades will go different directions. 6th grade will head on straight ahead to enter the auditorium from the far side. 7th and 8th grade will bear left to enter the auditorium from the near side. 6th grade sits generally on the far side, 8th grade in the middle, and 7th grade on the near side. If your first period class does not match your grade, sit with the teacher who you have first period with. Please be on your best brave behavior during this important school assembly. At the end of the assembly, students will be excused in an orderly fashion, row by row, and will return to first period class to collect their belongings. Then students will continue on to their third period classes. Band today, first period makeups will not occur due to the assembly. Second period, 6th grade percussion. Third period, 7th and 8th percussion. 4th period, 7th and 8th grade band. 6th period, 6th grade band. 8th period, 6th grade low brass. The art club will meet today after school from 3:30 to 4:30. Students must have their own transportation home after the club. 2 weeks ago we had a question. You can still vote for which Lucky Charm is the luckiest. Scan the code and open the Friday Q&A link. Boys basketball is having an open gym on March 29th, next Tuesday from 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. for any boys in 6th through 8th grade. You do not need to be on the school team or a travel team. No experience is needed. If you have questions, contact Mr. Clark. While Friday is the last day to hand out blue tickets for positive behavior, they can still be turned in to the white prize box in front of the office by Tuesday the 29th. 6th grade students who are interested in joining a conservation club can sign up in Mr. Clark's room. The club will probably meet a few times a month, and weekend projects like tree planting will require that parents provide transportation. Again, if you have questions, contact Mr. Clark. Breakfast on Friday will be the fruit and yogurt smoothie or the bacon, egg, and cheese burrito. Now, please rise for the flag salute.